Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cream cheese chocolate chip cookies. These cream cheese chocolate chip cookies are extra soft because of the addition of cream cheese. They're loaded with dark chocolate chips and they are so delicious. Let me show you guys how to make them. So the first step to making these cream cheese cookies is to add 113 grams of softened butter to your stand mixer. And now I'm using salted butter here because that's what I always have in my fridge. But you guys can use unsalted if you want. Just add a quarter teaspoon of salt to the recipe. Next, we're going to add in 113 grams of dark brown sugar. And if you guys don't have dark brown sugar, light brown sugar will totally work, but you won't get as rich of a flavor or as dark of a color cookie. Next, add in 57 grams of cane sugar. Now we're going to mix this in our stand mixer on low, and we're going to cream the butter and sugar together for about 5 minutes. The butter and sugar mixture will lighten in color and will seem really soft and fluffy. Next, we're going to add in 1 large egg. Then we have 57 grams of cream cheese. And then last, we're adding 255 grams of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda and salt. Then we're going to mix this on low until the cookie dough forms. And now once our cookie dough is ready, we're adding in 198 grams of dark chocolate chips. And now you guys can use semi-sweet chocolate chips if you want. You could use milk chocolate, you could use white chocolate. This part is totally flexible. You can even add nuts into these cookies if you want to, and if you want to do that, you would also do that now. I'd recommend adding about 113 grams of chopped nuts. You can do walnuts, pecans, or even almonds. So once our chocolate chips are in, we're going to mix this on low until they're combined. Now it's time to ball these cookies. Now we're going to ball these with our hands and just roll them into a ball and then flatten them slightly so they're about 2 inches in diameter. Look like this. And if you guys want to use a cookie scoop, you could also do that as well. I'm just terrible with cookie scoops. I suck at using them. They never work for me, so I always just use this method. We just want to make sure that we have 12 balls of cookies. And if you guys have a little extra left over, just go ahead and pinch off little pieces and add it to the ones that look small. And now I have some extra chocolate chips here, and I'm going to add a little bit of extra chocolate chips on top. I'm just going to press them right into the dough. This will just make the cookies look like they're bursting with chocolate chips when they come out of the oven. This part is totally optional, but you can do it if you want. Now it's time for these cookies to chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. And these cookies need to chill for just 30 minutes, but if you guys need to leave them longer, you can leave them in there overnight. That's totally fine. And during this time, you can preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So I just pulled these cookies out of the fridge, and now it's time to transfer half of them to another baking sheet with parchment paper. Make sure you spread your cookies evenly apart. You'll have 6 cookies per sheet. And then also go back to this one and move these around so they have room as well. Now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. And now you guys have delicious cream cheese chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are soft, they're extra chewy, they're pillowy, they're so delicious. I know you guys are going to love them as much as I do. These are so good, you guys. They're so good. You have to make these. If you guys enjoyed these cookies, make sure to drop a like and a comment. And if you want more cookie recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.